Oh no! Oh God!
No, no. Swimming into Devil's Frying Pan is not easy. It's not a long swim, but please don't try this if you're not a strong sea swimmer. We were told to do the swim at high tide, which makes a lot of sense when you see all the rocks at low tide, and we had great weather the day that we took on the swim. You start the swim from Cadgwith Cove, the beach that doesn't have all the fishing boats on it. You swim out of the bay and around through the arch into the frying pan.